Did you know Albert Einstein hated wearing socks? It sounds unbelievable, but this tiny habit reveals a surprisingly powerful lesson about one of history's greatest geniuses. When you think of Einstein, you probably picture wild hair, brilliant equations, and world-changing discoveries. But here is a fun fact. Einstein often chose not to wear socks because they kept developing holes. Instead of replacing them, he simply stopped wearing them. Strange, maybe, but it perfectly reflected the way he thought. Einstein believed we should question habits and traditions, instead of accepting them simply because that is how it has always been. That mindset did not just change the way he dressed. It changed science forever. His curiosity, independent thinking, and willingness to ask questions no one else dared to ask transformed our understanding of the universe. Here is the real lesson. Great minds do not just look for better answers. They ask better questions. So the next time something seems ordinary, take a closer look. Your greatest idea could begin with a simple question. Stay curious. Think differently. Remember, sometimes the smallest habits reveal the biggest minds. Follow AI every day 365 for more amazing facts and inspiring stories in just 60 seconds.